Hi, it's Anna with WTI. I'm hitting middle-aged, and the thought that my skin is no longer looking as youthful is a little bit scary, so I am starting to improve my routine, and adding a nice moisturizer and sunscreen to my face every day has become very important to me. And Morning Person has an amazing cream that I have been using, and I really, really like it. It is very lightweight, it blends in easily, it doesn't feel greasy. It has a really nice texture to it, and it really protects me from the sun. I know that it has been working because the other day I put it on and I power washed our whole house, and my ears got super burnt, and my face is perfectly fine. Not a bit of sunburn on it. I love that I can just add this on every morning. My face feels nice and moisturized all day. I have never been good at putting sunscreen on, so the fact that I can add it in with my moisturizer is super helpful to me. It squeezes out easy, so be careful because a little bit goes a long way. If you're looking for a moisturizer and a sunscreen, this one is super nice by Morning Person. I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.